Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about cognitive styles and creativity. Every mind is its own landscape. Some are mapped and measured, analytical in every contour. Others are wild, running on intuition and feeling. Knowing the terrain of your mind, your cognitive style, is key to unleashing your creative potential. Analytical thinkers move methodically. They are the cartographers, plotting each point with precision. Their creativity is in the structure, the complex systems, the understanding of how each part fits into the whole. They find beauty in the order, the patterns, the clear lines that connect one point to another. Intuitive thinkers, on the other hand, navigate by the stars. They are the explorers, charting unknown territories guided by gut feeling and instinct. Their creativity flows from the unseen, the felt, the sensed. They find their ways by leaps of faith, paths appearing underfoot as they walk. But the mind is not just one or the other. It's a blend, a spectrum where analytical and intuitive thoughts intertwine. Creativity lives in the spaces between, in understanding how these styles interact, how they complement and contradict, how they dance together in the art of creation. Understanding your cognitive style is like knowing whether you're a sprinter or a marathon runner. It tells you how you move, how you think, how you create. It helps you leverage your strengths, whether that means planning each step or sprinting into the unknown. And knowing your style lets you stretch it too. The cartographer can learn to wander, the explorer to plan. Each can learn from the other, expanding their creative horizons, finding new ways to see, to think, and to create. So know your mind, whether it's ordered or wild, or a bit of both. Use that knowledge, let it guide your creative journey, your art, your way of seeing the world. And remember, whatever your style, creativity is there, waiting for you to tap into it, to shape it, and to make it your own. I hope you like this video. If you're interested in this topic, I have another video about the role of the subconscious mind and creativity, and you can watch it here. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.